Your site activities can affect your neighbors in a number of ways. If you cause a nuisance, or get complaints from the surrounding community, the local authority environmental health department can take action to restrict your activities. Dust. To avoid negative impacts from dust, you should damp down haul roads and stockpiles in dry weather. Reduce the speed of vehicles on site. Make sure all vehicles and skips leaving the site are covered. Use wheel washing facilities on exits to public roads and keep public roads clear using road sweepers. Damp down dust from demolition activities and consider wind direction and the possible effects on neighbors. Smoke and fumes. To minimize impacts from smoke and fumes, you should not burn any waste materials on site. Avoid idling machinery and turn off when not in use. Consider the wind direction if using materials which produce odors, such as paint or tar, and keep lids on containers when not in use. Avoid running generators constantly and connect to the mains where possible. Noise and vibration. To avoid any negative impacts from noise and vibration, you should install solid panel fencing around the site to screen the sources of noise. Service vehicles and machinery regularly to produce less noise. Fit baffles or silencers to machinery and switch off when not in use. Consider the noise output when buying or leasing new equipment. Minimize reversing alarms by creating a one-way system for vehicles. Consider the hours of operation and whether this may impact on neighbors. Avoid noisy works when people are more likely to be at home or in their gardens, which is most likely evenings and weekends. Light. To avoid negative impacts from light, you should position lights so you only need to use the minimum number of lights. Dim or switch off lights when they are not required. Use baffles, shields and louvers to reduce obtrusive light. Use lights that switch off automatically when natural light is available or when they are not required. For example, you could install motion detectors on lights.